Hi, I'm Haley Rosenwald, and this is Technique Peak. Today I'm going to be showing with Chiara, one of our PT aides, how to do an upper limb tension test for the median nerve. So I'm going to have the patient lie on her back at supine, and let's say it's on the left shoulder. I'll have her slide all the way towards the left with her arm off the side of the table. Now passively, I'm going to move her arm into 90 degrees of abduction with the scapula depressed. My other hand is going to hold the fingers in extension along with the thumb. And we're going to rotate her into 90 degrees of external rotation. From here, let me know when you start to have any numbness, tingling, or other radicular symptoms. We're going to move into elbow extension. Go here. Then I flex the wrist. Tell me your symptoms changed. Better, worse, or the same? Better. Then we come off of it. So that's a positive upper limb tension test for the median nerve on the left arm.